guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. What this does is it allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. It also helps us find our support and resistance lines, our targets, our entries, our stop loss, and all that good stuff. Okay, and this is why we always apply multiple time frame analysis. And please forgive me for the lag. I'm going to figure that out. This is a new camera, and so far I haven't figured it out all the way. So let's go ahead and dive in, okay? So pre-market, we are up almost 1% for the morning, and yesterday we closed down 1%. All right, I'm going to go over our support and resistance lines for our new viewers, and then we'll go ahead and dive into where we're at exactly, okay? So this top line up here represents, oh, come on, what is going on? All right, this top line up here represents our major resistance line. You can see that we came up, got rejected here, 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 and here. So that's about 4 times. We want to test these areas at least 3 times, okay? And then back, and then after, after the 5th time, you can see that we got rejected. It pushes all the way back down to our major support line. You can see that we bounced over here, and underneath it was working as resistance over here. And you can see clearly right now it's trying to create a breakout. However, we will break down to the smaller time frame, that being the 1 hour, and I can show you guys more individual candlesticks on a more accurate look at where we're at. So we look left like Beyonce says. You can see that we had resistance back here as well until we created a breakout and bounced off of this level, and then from there you can see that we created this upward trend to our major resistance up here. Okay, let's get into where we're at. So you can see for the past couple weeks, we've been in this clear downward trend, you guys. It wasn't until just recently that we broke above that trend line. And that does not mean that we are in an upward trend. It just means that we broke the trend line and are now trying to create a reversal. So this morning, if I were just to look at the daily interval and look at this, I would say, okay, we're testing the resistance. We're trying to create a breakout. If we can break past the 594 or 595 level, come up and come back down and retest this support, because it is a heavily tested area, then that would show the higher low that we want to see. It will show confirmation that buyers are stepping up and that we're trying to create this reversal. And other than that, you know, it would be great. However, let's break down to the 1 hour chart and have a more accurate look at this, okay? So we're now at the 1 hour chart. This line represents the major resistance line that we were under. And if you can see clearly, every time we come up into this resistance area, we get rejected. You can see right here, we got rejected. Even right here, this little candlestick, it didn't come all the way up, but it still got rejected, gapped us down. And then we tried to come back up into this area. And this is where I made the last update. I said, if we can break past this resistance area, because it is struggling, we look left, like Beyonce says. And you can see that we are having trouble breaking past this resistance. This is a heavily tested area, all right? And so from there, once we tested that area, we got rejected again. So what do we have? We have a triple top hitting this resistance and failing, okay? So that lets us know the relative strength of where we're at. So currently, I would not get in. That would not be the smartest decision. As you can see clearly that we're having trouble trying to create this reversal, even trying to break past this resistance that we have. So if we can come back up once again and retest this resistance at the 595 and break past that and come back down and retest it as a support, then yes, that could be a great ideal entry. You have your stop loss on the opposite side. Maybe have it underneath these candlesticks at the 577. If you're day trading, you might want to have that a little bit tighter. So you may have that at the 588 level. But not until we can break past this 595 level, you guys. And you can see that we tested that multiple times and have failed, and now are starting to pull back again. So more than likely that we are going to continue this downward trend. We attempted to create a reversal, and the relative strength was just not there. So more than likely we will be pulling back. So if we break past this new low over here, and I say new low as in just for this general area, that being at the 545, then I will do an updated video and explaining where the next level of support is, which I'll give you guys a good idea on where that could be at. And that could be all the way back down here at the 346. And you can see back here that on the opposite side of this area, we had resistance here, here, and on the works on the opposite side will work as support. So you can see we bounced here and here. So this is a heavily tested area as well. So if we do break past down these two lows over here, the next stop, you guys, like I said, would probably be more than likely around this area. So other than that, I'll make an updated video if we do get rejected from this level. And same thing if we do break past that 595 level. But as for right now, you guys, I would be patient, and let's be patient and wait for the clear direction on where we're headed and confirmation that we're trying to start this reversal. Okay, so getting in right now would just be pure FOMO. Let's be patient. Let's wait for the best opportunity. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video on how I break down these charts fast and efficiently, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys every single day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.